kanina lang, in today's hearing, there was a lot of objecting to the word confusion in the framing of the question of the prosecution. Sabi kay Ortonio, so could the confusion have been avoided if she had just specified what the confidential funds were for example? Even the word, even the use of the word confusion, for example, triggered objections. So parang where do you draw the line, I guess?
That's why the presiding officer is also important, and good enough that the presiding officer really just polices it a lot. Pero kasi nga, trabaho ng defense mag-object, no? 'Di ba? Trabaho naman ng kabila na but remember, if you remember during the early part of the proceedings also, naalala nyo, halimbawa, sino yung gumagamit ng words na according to you, di ba? Yung mga
Yeah.
ganyan.
Oo.
Kapros.
Ah,
Di ba? Tapos parang, oh, do you know the meaning of ganito? Oh, I withdraw.
ah.
So, both sides are actually doing it. And that's fine because that's their job. They're trying to provoke a certain response from the witness. So, I'm not gonna go after them because that's part of the language of litigation, right? So, kanya-kanya kaming style. Pero, ironic lang for me kasi after witnessing that, tapos maririnig ko na, oy, sobra naman kayo magsalita. Pero sabi ko, wait. Wait, pare-pareho tayong litigator naman. I'm sure kaya naman natin to pareho i-tolerate. But let's let the public decide na lang, 'di ba? Kasi there are only so many words in the English language, and if we start policing each other depending on what we feel is not proper, decorum, masyado nang malilimitahan.
Yeah.
Kasi the public is watching, right? So we can actually talk using legal jargon, but that will not be conducive kasi to an impeachment case.
And it could extend the proceedings, right?
As
And
we
then
have seen during
balik,
the first part of the
oo,
proceedings, right? And
yeah,
that wasn't good.
yeah. Balik na naman tayo sa idea that,
Legal gobbledygook.
yeah, over judicializing the process to the point, to the detriment of everyone else, right? And then you end up losing the attention of people.
Yeah. The focus should really be on impartiality, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Fairness. And when we talk about impartiality and fairness, ang focus mo dyan is on the judges. Defense and prosecution, they will try to
Cannot
push
be.
the envelope because they are obligated to do so. But tama din naman yung reminder, may limits yan. But then again, mas concerned talaga tayo dapat sa impartiality ng judges. I think there's a report earlier na tingnan niyo yung sa Sandigan Bayan. Nag-file yung ombudsman ng motion to inhibit sa isang Sandigan Bayan justice. Ang claim naman nila is impartiality also. So, ganun yun.
Yeah.
Mas
Oo nga.
mabigat yun. Mas mabigat yun.
Oo
Hindi
nga,
yung formalities or decorum.
we
It's
were
impartiality.
we were talking about that case last time you were on the show. What do you think of that? That the ombudsman asking one of the judges to inhibit. That's pretty serious, no?
It is because as a matter of strategy, you don't file an inhibition lightly. And the fact
Yeah.
that the ombudsman actually did it and announced it, but kasi kumalat sa news, in fact, may mga details pa dun sa news report na nabasa ko kung bakit nila final because of the questioning of the particular justice. It's a serious thing. 'Di ba? The fact that they actually pulled that trigger
Yeah.
means that they feel that they have a strong case for inhibition. Ganon yung point ko na mas importante ang impartiality sa mga proceedings na to kaysa trying to police one side and the other side from the language.
Yes.
Does the
ang ti-
ombudsman have to prove that the judge was not being impartial in this case, or it's really just up to the ano?
Well, based on the report, their basis for impartiality were the questions being asked during the hearing. So may TSN yan. So malamang ang ginagamit nila na reference yung TSN ng hearings nila.
Okay.
So medyo na yon, wala silang kailangang i-prove doon kasi mismong TSN ng korte ang ginagamit nilang pruweba. And kasi yung Supreme Court before has already made decisions on these kinds of cases.